we have a problem, guys. I cannot get it all back in the box. I'm going to have to watch my own video and see how it went in. But before I do that, I'm going to show you what was in these two boxes. These are the two boxes that came in the main box. They're very rigid cardboard. They've got the Minibase logo on them, and it's telling us here what's in here. We've got the R73E, R73L, R27T and R27R, 2 of each in this box. Wait till you see this. Now, I haven't seen these before. I've only seen them on another review. I haven't actually seen them in the flesh. So I'll take these out of these cards. This is a very, very strong box, very well protected, and you'll see why now. Because these things are, I don't want to rip them out, they are absolutely stunning. There is no other word for it. They are absolutely beautiful. Look at this. Let me get this close up in the camera for you. Look at the detail on those fins. I mean, how much would these cost alone as an extra? Okay, so there's 2 of each of those in there. Okay, so you've got some in the centre here. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 in there. So there's 4 types in there, 2 of each. Put those back in that rigid box before they get damaged. And then in this box here we've got R27ERs times 2, R27ERs times 2. So there's 4 of the same. They look slightly different now. Let's pull this little insert out. Big bad boys these are. Please, Jesus. There we go. Again, look at the detail on them. It's just stunning. So there we are, guys. So I must admit, when I can't remember where I first saw this now, but somebody was talking about upcoming kits, and I saw it advertised and saw some of the shots of the wing mechanism and stuff. So as I say, you can get this model from Premium Hobbies. It says $94.95 on the website, but he's told me he's going to reduce it to $92.95. So therefore, as I say, with your 10% discount from using NMB10, it's going to be £89.65 delivered to your door. Now, if you consider the other 48 scale Su-27, Su-33s out there, there's the Academy kits, which are getting a bit long in the tooth now and a bit old. You've got the Hobby Boss and the Great Wall Hobby kits, I believe. Well, that was Su-35, wasn't it? But there's also, you've got the Kitty Hawk Su-33, I think it is. You know, they're all beautiful kits, but they all need extras. They've all got issues. They all need resin, whatever. And obviously, it's difficult for me to comment having not built this kit, but if it goes together well, this model needs absolutely no aftermarket. Maybe those decals are a little thick, I'm not sure, but it needs no aftermarket other than maybe a set of decals. So when you consider 90 quid delivered to your door, okay, it's actually not that bad at all. It doesn't have vinyl tyres. It has the weighted plastic tyres with all the lettering on. It's got the most beautiful weapons probably available on the market today, and you've got plenty of them to arm it out. It's got beautiful pylons. It's got, you know, brass brass details literally everywhere in 3 different thicknesses, so there's no need to buy any photo etch sets for it. It's not going to need metal undercarriage legs because the design of the undercarriage legs is such that it's not going to need them, and the design of the build of the model means you can put them in at the end, so again you can just display the model when it's finished. I see no option to display it with wheels up on a stand or anything, but that's obviously something you could do if you wanted to. But no, I'm really blown back by this, and I have to say I think this could well be the best injection molded plastic kit there is. I'm convinced. You know, when you look at the detail in it, okay, let's narrow that down. I'm convinced this is the best 1/48 scale plastic injection molded kit out there, because you know you can't sort of take away from your Tamiya 1/32 scale, you know, Spitfires, Mustangs, Corsairs, but I don't know, maybe this is a better kit, I don't know. But honestly, this thing is just absolutely incredible. I would suggest you go and get one, because I don't think this will be on the shelves for long. A lot of these companies, these smaller companies, they tend to sort of release a batch and then they kind of disappear for a while and then they come back. I mean, look at Great Wall Hobby, they disappeared for a while and they've just come back. So yeah, I would suggest go and get one of these guys. I think Ed has got 8 coming in. So, you know, if you're in the UK, go fill your boots. If you're not in the UK, probably better finding a local supplier because of the postage. It's not a small box. It's about 18 inches by 12 inches by, 3 inches. So it's not going to be cheap for postage around the world. So, yeah. One other thing I want to say, just shows hats off to their fantastic sprue design. It was this sprue that was on the top. It was this part here, one of these sticking up bits here that actually poked through my box at some point in transit. The parts are absolutely unmarked, no damage whatsoever. So credit to them. If they hadn't put those legs on there, it would have been the canopy that got crushed. So yeah, as I say, I've now got to go and look at my own video to see how it all went back in the box. But absolutely incredible model, guys. Certainly the best kit I've ever reviewed. So there we go. Thanks for watching. I'll see you all soon. Bye for now.